Welcome to the 6th tutorial on beginning HTML. Today, we are going to look at adding links to your web page. Now, what would your web page be without links? Well, it wouldn't be much. Navigation is a key consideration in designing your website, so we will begin with adding links to your web page. There are two ways to add links. First, to link to an outside web page, and second, to link to a section within your web page. In this video, we are going to cover linking to an outside URL. Links are added with the anchor element, and within the anchor element is an attribute called ref. This attribute tells the anchor element where the destination is for the link. The destination can be a web page on the same site or an outside website. As mentioned, we will link to an outside URL in this video. So, let's first create AP element, which stands for paragraph, because we need to add some text and sentences inside and around our link. We will embed everything within that. Now, we will add our anchor tag. Within the opening a tag and opening p tag, we are going to create some text that says, "Please click on this link." This text will appear as straight text before our link is embedded. Next, we will create the ref attribute, and here we will put the outside URL that we want to link to in our web page. In this case, I am just going to link to my YouTube channel page. We will copy and paste that within the quote that appears after ref and the equal sign. Now, we can add some text before the closing anchor tag. This text will become the link. The URL will not be displayed. Instead, the text we put here will be displayed as the link. So we will say prime page. Let's go ahead and save this. You can see we've got our link now, and if I click on that, it should go to my YouTube channel page. You can also see the text where we said, "Please click on this link." This text is not actually part of the link because it comes before the A element or the anchor element. The text we created for our link is part of the link because we put it between the closing angle bracket and the closing anchor tag. This makes the link easier to read than the actual URL, as you have seen many times when browsing the web. That's going to do it for this video. In the next video, we will look at links again and how to link within an existing web page.